Hey, ready to learn English? Let's enjoy a simple story about daily home activities. Very easy, very fun. Ready? Let's begin. My activities at home. I wake up early. Still feel sleepy. I open my eyes. I stretch my arms. I check my phone. No new messages. I get out slowly. My feet feel cold. I walk to bathroom. I wash my face. Cold water wakes me. I brush my teeth, up and down, slowly. I look in mirror. Good morning, me. I go to kitchen. I feel very hungry. I open the fridge. Nothing looks interesting. I cook simple breakfast. I fry one egg. I toast some bread. It smells very good. I start eating slowly. I drink warm tea. So relaxing. I sit quietly. I enjoy my time. After eating, I clean. I wash the dishes. Water splashes everywhere. I go to living room. I sit on sofa. I watch some videos. Funny videos make me laugh. I check my messages. My friend texted. I reply quickly. We chat a little. I feel a bit tired. I lie down slowly. I take a short nap. Zzz. I wake up again. Oops, too long. I stand up quickly. I feel fresh now. I clean my room. I pick up clothes. I organize my table. Everything looks better. I listen to music. My favorite song plays. I sing along quietly. My voice sounds funny. In the evening, I relax. I sit near a window. I watch the sunset. The sky looks beautiful. I feel very calm. At night, I eat dinner. Simple food again. After dinner, I relax. I watch one movie. The movie is funny. I laugh a lot. Time to sleep now. I turn off lights. I lie on bed. I close my eyes. Good night, world. I fall asleep peacefully. Great job! Now, let's check your understanding. Are you ready? Let's answer together. 1. What does the speaker do first? A. Eat breakfast. B. Wake up early. C. Watch videos. D. Go outside. Answer B. 2. What does the speaker cook? A. Rice and chicken. B. Soup and noodles. C. Egg and bread. D. Salad and fruit. Answer C. 3. What does the speaker do at night? A. Plays games. B. Goes outside. C. Watches a movie. D. Calls a friend. Write your answer in the comments. Did you enjoy this story? Want more easy English? Subscribe for more videos. Learn English every day. And don't forget, answer question number 3.